Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we would be sewing our strapless bodice. In the previous video we did the pattern drafting. If you haven't watched it, it is just a video before this one. I would also put a link in the description box below for us to go ahead and watch. So on my panels, on my pattern, I included my seam allowances. Remember, I told us I was not going to put seam allowances on my pattern, but when cutting on my fabric I was going to put in my seam allowances. I've gone ahead to do that. I'm also using this black cotton material for my lining, and I went ahead to fuse in fusible interfacing on my front panels in order to pad it. So the next thing we would be doing now is to go ahead and sew. I'm going to sew my fabric separately and my lining separately. I'll do that and come back and show us. I have sewn my panels together for my fabric and also for my lining. Also, this is my lining, this is my main fabric. I also trimmed off the excess allowances in here. It is very important to do that. If you followed my procedure, you will be having this same effects around the bust area. You can see the way it is bulging out, it is coming out, and with that you can wear this without a bra. In order to have a neat finishing, we are going to be turning the fabric with the lining, and to do that, place your fabric this way and then place right side of your lining against the right side of your fabric, making sure that the seam lines match all the way down, and then I would sew it all the way down. I will do that and come back and show us. Okay guys, I've gone to sew. I sew it on this upper part and this lower end too. In order for it to lay flat, all you have to do is to just create tiny bits of notches. Be careful not to cut through your seam lines. Create tiny bits of notches around it. When you're done with that, we are going to turn it over and you would see how neat it looks like. When you want to turn it over from this zip end. Just turn it over. You should have something like this when you're done. I really love the outcome of this tube top. I love the way the bust area is prominent. Look at how neat it looks. All you have to do next is to just fix in your zipper. There's a way you can fix in your zipper that this end would also look good. I'll do a separate tutorial on that. So for now, we are done. See you in my next video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.